Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we'll be solving this question which states that the first term of GP is given to be 1. The sum of third term and fifth term is 90. We need to find the common ratio of this GP, right? So here the first term is given to be 1 and the sum of the third term and fifth term is given to be 90, right? We need to find what is R here. So if you know what is the general term of some GP with A as the first term and R as the common ratio, it is A r raised to power n minus 1. So what would be A3? When you substitute n is equals to 3, here you would have A3 is equals to A raised to power R, A into R raised to power 3 minus 1, which is 2. Right. Similarly, when you substitute n is equals to 5, here you would have A5, which would be A as such, R raised to power 5 minus 1, which is 4. Hence you have A5 as this and A3 as 6. So therefore this expression now becomes AR raised to power 2 plus AR raised to power 4 is equals to 90, and hence you have this equation. Now you can solve this equation in various manner. Here in total we would have 4 roots or solutions to this equation, because here the maximum degree is 4, correct? So we can rearrange this equation like this: r raised to power 4 plus r raised to power 2, and we can also shift this 90 to the left hand side so that it would be minus 90 is equals to 0, right? So now you can see if we can factorize this equation. Otherwise there is discriminant method which allow you to calculate the roots. So you see the roots for 90, they are 9 and 10. If you take minus 9 and plus 10, then multiplying both of them you would have minus 90, and adding both of them you would have plus 1. Hence you have found them as the appropriate roots. You can break plus r square as plus 10 square minus 9 square, and all the other things as such, right? Now from these two terms you can take r square as common, so you will be left with r square plus 10, and from these two terms you can take minus 9 as common, so you would be left with r square plus 10. So again you can take this r square plus 10 and r square plus 10 common from both the equations, so you will be left with r square minus 9, right? Now they are both these terms, their product is equal to 0. What does it imply? It implies that either of them is 0. Either r square minus 9 is 0 or r square plus 10 is equal to 0. But if you take this thing as equal to 0, from here you obtain r square is equal to minus 10. Can the square of any positive real number, any real number, could this be negative? The answer is no. If we are taking only the real roots, then this r square is equals to minus 10 is not possible, because otherwise we will be reaching at complex number domain, which we are not taking as of now. So therefore we reject this case and we take only this case in which we have r square minus 9 is equals to 0. So this 9 when shifted to right hand side would give you plus 9, and then you can take the square root on both sides so that you would have r is equals to plus or minus 3. Hence this is the value of r which we wanted to calculate for this particular question. So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.